Guys, what's up? So I'm gonna tell you one strategy. It's a very dark strategy where you would get a promotion. I have seen it happening, and I have seen a lot of girls which do that. Yeah, I have never done that because I don't know actually why I have never done that. I do want to do that myself as well. It's kind of a little immoral act, and it gets to you. Okay, there are certain things which you do and it gets counted in your bad karma and it's gonna fuck you up. But I don't give a damn. I don't give a fuck. I just have to let you know. You can use it, or you can use it to be aware of somebody else who is using it. Okay, it's for guys and girls both. So you would work in a company, you will start as a new joinee, or you must be somebody who's currently working and looking for a promotion, and you won't get it. And you will see that somebody else got it. And you would want to do things to get that promotion. And next year you will still try, in the next cycle you will still try, it won't be there for you. So what was that which you didn't do and the other guys did? I'm going to talk about that. So here it is. For guys, it's absolutely simple, and you might have seen it as well. You know, the original simple guy who would just do bootlicking to the boss. He will lick him very good, he will do things for him, he will go on and do almost everything for the boss. That's a usual thing, everybody has to do it. It's not a good thing or a bad thing, it's like some task are being assigned to you and you just have to do it to the best of your ability. And some people just overdo that. They just go on and do something extra as well. That extra thing will get counted, and yeah, you would get a promotion in that. And it will be a high bonus thing if you save your boss. If there is a situation which is created or which exists where your boss gets into trouble, some kind of a feedback situation, some kind of an issue where the boss is stuck and you protect your boss, you get that promotion, my boy. You will get that promotion. If you evacuate, if you help your boss out of that problem which is forcefully created or any way created, you get the promotion. There is no way else which, there is nobody else will get it. You get it. Okay. This works. I have seen it happen, and boy oh boy, it's weird. I have never done it. See, it's very difficult to do. If you there are some kinds of people who just do their task and then with honesty, with grit, with determination, and that's about it. They just don't care to beg, sir, please give me this. They don't do this. Some little fucks don't do this, and that's okay. That's the thing which people have. There's nothing bad about it. Now, chicks, girls do one thing. The main video which I made, there is a tactics which a girl does. I have seen a number of times which a girl has done to get that hike, get the full rating, get the thick promotion, get the progression, get the manager title. I have seen a girl getting that, and it's not the same reason which you think. You see, for a girl to get that promotion, she can do the hard work, she can do the things and everything else. See, everybody, if you are in a project, 10 people, 20 people, everybody will do the nice job. Everybody will finish the task. Everybody will do the things, they will get the job done and appreciation, that's it, good job everybody. How it's going to be determined that this person is going to get the good ratings, this person is going to get the more things. And a girl has done one thing, apart from being nice, being good, being respectful and all, I have seen that if a girl tries to forcefully create a situation by creating an issue, creating faults, finding faults in other people's work, that automatically puts the other person as down. I have, in my 11 years of experience, I have seen it almost everywhere, every time. This happens. You would see that too. If you are not able to see it, maybe you are not aware of it. It's happening. That manipulation is an earnest desire. The manipulation is in them. They would just do it. It's very hard to not do it. So yeah, and you would see that they would try to help. They will ask help from you. A female will ask a help from you, some kind of code which you have done where you will help her, and then it will fuck up. The code will blow, and then she will say, hey, I took this from this guy, he catch him. Then you will be the person at fault. You see, we as male do try to help a female in terms of anything which she wants to do in work, in anywhere else, we'll help her. But at work, if you help not only a girl, almost everybody, but specifically a girl, because she can very easily put a blame on you. For a guy to do that, to other guy, it's difficult. There's a moral code between two guys who will just not fuck each other up. But for people for opposite sex, it's kind of easier. So be aware if you try to help a girl, or maybe she would help her, maybe she will take credit of your help. Yeah, she will take credit of the help you did, and she'll get promotion, get hike. And if that doesn't work, she will try to find faults in your work. She will try to put you down. She will say that you don't talk to me, you do not talk nicely, you do not help me in the work, you do not collaborate, you are a weird person, you do not have a positive vibe around you. Anything. Anybody can pick up any kind of random fault while you are in a project, and your value will go down and you won't get that hike. See, now what you're going to do in this situation. Okay. See, when something is being granted to you through a healthy way, through an organic path, you are well deserved for that position. Nobody can take it from you. Everybody will come to know about it, and nobody will point you, nobody will question you, nobody will be jealous of you. But then if something is being granted to you through sneaky ways, it will be taken back from you, and you will see that. If there is any promotion or anything which has been granted to somebody through any sneaky way, karma will act on that situation, and you will see that yourself. Everybody is going to know about it. Everybody will be aware about it. You just have to keep your mouth shut. Everybody will come to know that the incompetent person has been given a promotion, that new task. He is already up the hierarchy now. He will become more bigger in the hierarchy, and he will be dysfunctional in those hierarchy, because sneaky tricks won't work for long. People love stable, honest person, morally correct person. And anybody who's getting a promotion through a sneaky way will be fallen back, will be pulled apart. And it will happen. You will see that yourself. You would see that yourself. Karma chart will act on that person, and you will laugh upon it. It will happen in front of you. There used to be a manager in one of my company, and it was like a girl situation, and he was really mad that why do I talk to that girl, and he got angry. He said a lot of things to me. I just listened to him patiently, nicely. You know what happened to him? He got fucked up in a sexual harassment case with that girl, and he got fired. His ass was kicked, golden boot. So yeah, I can tell you, man, if something is going wrong, you just stay chill about it. Don't try to mess it up. And yeah, this is a sneaky way to get a promotion or a hike. If you really fucking want to do it, do it. But then you will be hitting back. Take care, buddy boys.